Hello guys, today we're gonna change the oil on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. So now let's get under this. Get under here. See? So now we're gonna loosen this drain plug right here, and for that we're gonna use a 16 millimeter socket with a ratchet. Make sure you got your catch can ready. Let it drain for a bit, and then we're gonna put the drain plug back on. Okay guys, so now we're going to use the filter wrench to take the filter out. So we're going to put it around like the filter like this. And we're going to turn it anti-clockwise. Okay, there we go. Make sure you got your catch can at the bottom there, because you don't want to spill any oil. Okay, so now we got this out. Alright, so we're going to use a Fram filter. I'm going to put a new Fram filter in. But first, make sure you put a little oil on the seal when putting it back. Make sure you do a little oil on the seal, like so. Then we're gonna catch it right back in place. So you can do hand type. You don't have to put the wrench on it or anything. Just by hand. Okay. Alright. Okay. You're gonna use Rotella Thin 30 oil. Alright, let's get it in. Look at this oil, guys. It's really black. Alright, so we got the oil in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna disconnect the coil so we can turn it over a few times so we can get the oil in the system. And we're ready to go.